Now guys, just a few hours before the Galaxy Unpacked ni Samsung, may nag-leak na naman ng mga photos. So we can see here are the colors na magiging available sa Samsung Galaxy S25 na base variant. So we can see here there's a light blue, a light green, a titanium color, and a purple color. And yung kanang last one is yung kanang probably maging hero color, the color blue. Personal choice, I would say na I would prefer yung color blue. Standout siya among yung mga Galaxy na colors and, well, personal preference. Check natin ang S25 Plus. So, eto naman mga maging color available sa S25 Plus. Siguro mali lang pinatong niya, no? And these are nakuha natin from Reddit. So, we have a light green, titanium color. This is probably a light purple color or color white. And we have yung dark blue color. And yeah, still the color of choice dito is the dark blue para for me. And of course, yung pinakamahal niya, S25 Ultra. We have the color black, a color white, titanium, and the other one is probably silver or gray color. So dito, most likely, I'll be picking the titanium color as a personal choice. Okay guys, ano mga napili niyo? Bibili ba kayo ng Samsung Galaxy S25 series? Let me know in the comments.